Welcome, everyone. I'm so excited you're here. Have you ever dreamed of speaking English with confidence? The good news is you don't need years. With the right practice, you can build real speaking habits in just 30 days.
That sounds exciting. But what if someone is a complete beginner?
Great question. This challenge is designed for beginners and will gradually help you reach an intermediate level. We won't memorize difficult grammar. We'll practice speaking every single day.
I like that. So what's our first challenge?
Day 1 is simple. Introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Repeat it 5 times.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Day 2 is greetings. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Perfect. Day 3 is asking simple questions. What's your name? Where are you from?
What's your name? Where are you from?
Very good. Day 4, talk about your country. I'm from the United States. Day 5, count from 1 to 20 confidently. Day 6, describe yourself using 3 words. I'm friendly, curious, and hardworking.
That's fun. These challenges feel easy enough to practice every day.
Exactly. Small daily practice creates big results. In part 2, we'll start having real conversations. Welcome back. You finished the first 6 days. Nice job. Now it's time to move beyond single sentences and start speaking in short conversations.
I'm ready. What's today's challenge?
Day 7. Learn how to introduce someone. This is my friend Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
Excellent. Day 8. Talk about your daily routine. I wake up at 7. I have breakfast. Then I go to work.
I wake up at 6:30. Then I exercise before breakfast.
Great. Day 9. Express likes and dislikes. I like coffee, but I don't like spicy food.
I love chocolate, but I don't like waking up early.
I think many people agree with you. Now, day 10. Ask for simple information. What time is it? Where is the nearest bus stop?
Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop?
Perfect. Day 11. Practice polite expressions. Could you help me, please? Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Could you help me, please?
Of course. Finally, day 12. Start a short conversation. Hi, how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. How about yours?
I'm doing great. See? You're no longer speaking one sentence at a time. You're having real conversations. Keep practicing these challenges out loud every day. In part 3, we'll become more confident and learn how to keep a conversation going naturally. Welcome back. You've already completed the first 12 days. That's a fantastic achievement. Now let's make your conversations longer and more natural.
I'm starting to feel more confident. What's our next challenge?
Day 13, talk about your hobbies. I enjoy reading books in my free time.
I enjoy listening to music and going for walks.
Wonderful. Day 14, describe your family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
I have a small family, and we enjoy spending time together.
Excellent. Day 15, talk about your favorite food. My favorite food is pizza because it's delicious.
Mine is sushi. I could eat it every week.
That's a great answer. Day 16, share your weekend plans. I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend.
I'm going to watch a movie and relax at home.
Perfect. Day 17, give your opinion. I think learning English is fun.
I agree. It helps us connect with people around the world.
Exactly. Day 18, ask follow-up questions. Really? Why do you think that? Can you tell me more?
Can you tell me more about your hobbies?
Absolutely. Before we finish, remember this. Confidence doesn't come before practice. It comes because of practice. Don't wait to feel perfect before you speak. every mistake teaches you something valuable. Speak a little every day, celebrate your progress, and never compare your journey with someone else's. One small conversation today is another step toward becoming a confident English speaker tomorrow.
I love that. Let's keep going. We're already more than halfway through our 30-day journey.
Welcome back. You've made amazing progress. By now, speaking English should feel much more comfortable. In this part, we'll focus on sounding natural in everyday situations.
I can't believe we've already reached day 19. Let's do it.
Day 19. Learn how to ask for directions. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Could you tell me where the train station is?
Excellent. Day 20. Order food at a restaurant. I'd like a cheeseburger and a glass of water, please.
I'd like a salad and an iced tea, please.
Perfect. Day 21. Go shopping. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size?
Thinking, do you have this in a medium?
Great question. Day 22. Talk about the weather. It's sunny today. It looks like it's going to rain.
I love sunny days, but I don't enjoy cold weather.
Nice. Day 23. Solve simple problems politely. I'm sorry, I think there's a mistake with my order.
Excuse me, could you please check it again?
That's polite and confident. Now, day 24. Keep a conversation going. What do you usually do on weekends? That sounds interesting. Really? Tell me more.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually read books or go for a walk. The secret isn't using difficult words. It's asking good questions and showing genuine interest. That's how real conversations grow. In our final part, we'll complete days 25 through 30 and celebrate everything you've achieved together. Welcome to the final part of our 30-day English speaking challenge. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You've already built a strong foundation. Now, let's finish the journey together.
I can't believe it's already day 25. I feel so much more confident than when we started.
That's wonderful to hear. Let's complete the final 6 days. Day 25. Tell a short story about your day. Today was a busy day. I finished my work, met a friend, and cooked dinner.
Today was exciting. I learned new English expressions and practiced speaking for 20 minutes.
Excellent. Day 26. Give advice. You should practice English every day.
You should speak without being afraid of making mistakes.
Great advice. Day 27. Express future plans. Next month, I'm going to travel to New York.
Next year, I want to become a confident English speaker.
Perfect. Day 28. Handle simple phone conversations. Hello, may I speak with Alex, please?
Speaking, how can I help you?
Excellent. Day 29. Share your dreams. My dream is to work for an international company.
My dream is to travel around the world and communicate confidently in English.
Beautiful goal. Finally, day 30. Have a 2-minute conversation using everything you've learned during this challenge. Don't memorize, just speak naturally. Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
I know I'll make a few mistakes, but I'm not afraid anymore.
And that's the biggest victory. Fluency isn't about speaking perfect English, it's about communicating with confidence. Every sentence you speak makes you a better speaker. Keep practicing, keep listening, keep reading, and most importantly, keep talking. Even 10 minutes of daily practice can change your future.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey. We hope this challenge helped you discover that learning English can be simple, enjoyable, and achievable.
If you enjoyed this series, don't stop here. Continue challenging yourself every day because your English journey is just beginning. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day and happy learning.